All right, guys, so for today, we are going to focus on the second phase of your dream room design project, which is the ground plan or the floor plan or the bird's eye view or whatever you want to call it. So I'll go over the directions really fast. It's very simple, and then I'll give you some examples of what a ground plan looks like. So it says you will start by creating a floor plan for your room. It should be drawn to scale with accurate measurements for furniture. The ground plan will contain measurements but does not need to be in full color. It is a floor plan, top-down view, not an artistic rendering. You must include a key like this on your plan. The key is, for some reason, down here. But you see, this is what you would basically see from the top is shapes, not just the fun little details of things. So your bed would be things like a square with the crosses through it. A rug on the floor has the dotted lines. And then anything that is a solid surface is like this. A chair can be done like this. You can even do the hard lines on the outside of the chair. And then where someone might sit down, you would have a dash, 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 dash right here. Same thing with the sofa. You could have a dash, dash, dash there. A door needs to be set like this so that we know that it's space that opens. And then your window. And if you have some curtains in front of your window, you would do little squiggly lines. So this is really not that hard artistic-wise. I'm not asking for an artistic rendering. But again, it says anything that you can walk over or under is dotted. Anything that you cannot pass through is solid, and everything should be done to scale. So to give you guys an idea of what a bird's eye view kind of looks like, I probably should have just done an easy sketch drawing of this. But here is an example. Please tell me I can make this bigger. Hold on. Here is kind of a very blurry example. Oh, what am I doing? I don't even know. Anyway, we'll just use this one. So here's a good example of a floor plan. It's a bird's eye view of what we would be seeing. This is, of course, the backstage area. And this would be stage left and stage right. And this right here is where the fourth wall is, so where the audience would be looking in. But you see anything that is an object is, of course, with a solid line. Door entrances and stuff are open or movable in that way. And things are labeled, so labeling is important. One thing this is missing is measurements. So let me see if I can find something with measurements on it. Does this one have measurements? Yes, perfect. So if you look at this one right here, you can see how it's saying, okay, this wall is 13 feet, 0 inches. This one's super complicated. Very complicated set. Yours is, of course, not this complicated. But you see how the measurements are included. Even the direction the doors open is included. Sorry, I forgot what I was going to say. So yeah, you get the general idea. What I'm really going to be a stickler about with both this version and the next one is drawing things to scale. So for example, if your wall is 13 feet long and the refrigerator, you're not buying a refrigerator. Let's say you're doing a bed or a couch. So this is a couch right here. So if you're doing, or no, it's not. What is that even? I don't even know. This is the most complicated. Here, we'll do this one. No, it's too big. But anyway, if your wall is, let's go back to, no, that wasn't it. I am a mess. Okay. So let's just say you have a refrigerator in your bedroom and your wall is 13 feet long, and you know that on the website for your refrigerator, it said that the refrigerator was 3.5 feet wide. So you would make sure that, okay, if 13 feet on your paper become 13 inches, then when you draw the refrigerator, that refrigerator would be 3.5 inches to create the same illusion of the scale drawing. So that is the best that I can explain it. Sorry, it's very confusing. I am happy to answer more questions. I will try to post a video about creating floor plans by people that know what they're talking about better than I do. Um, this isn't exactly my specialty. Like I do set design, but I'm more of like the person who brings the application of making the set than I am with like actually designing out the sketches in a professional way anyway. I do everything very unprofessionally. Um, but yeah, so good luck. Let me know if you guys have any questions or need help with this.